you guys, I just bought the KUNGSBLOMMA duvet cover set from Ikea. It's a full queen. It's gorgeous. It's got this like charcoal coloured piping on white. I'm so excited to open this. For those of you who want to know the details, it's 86 by 86 inches finished size. And it has two queen size pillow shams that are 20 by 30. And it's made of 85% cotton, 15% lyocell, and the edging is 100% polyester. Ooh, it feels so nice. Feels cool actually, I like that. Beautiful. Very hotel-like. It makes it any better on my phone. I already have my ring light on. But we will proceed to put this on my duvet. The buttons, I believe, are snap buttons. Let's see if we can find them. Yes, they are. They are snap button closure. Now I just place the pillow cover on top of my nectar pillow. It looks lovely, so hotel-esque. I really like it. My bed's a little messy right now. I literally just put the duvet cover on my duvet. I absolutely love it. It's gorgeous. It gives it such a hotel looking appearance. The piping is just marvelous. That's where the buttons are, and the way they do it is really, really nice. For $29.99 for a queen / full is a really, really good deal. The stitching is impeccable. The fabric just feels so nice. It's so cool. It's so smooth. It's soft, but it's crisp. It's just, I really, really like it. It is 200 thread count only, but I kind of like that. Sometimes I've had 1,000 thread count, even 1,500 thread count, and sometimes it doesn't hold up so well because the threads are like, even though they're woven more, they can be more fragile. This, I actually am really happy with even 200 thread count. It feels so good. I kind of like that more crisp feeling, like the organic cotton feeling. That's what it kind of feels like. But it's a bit softer, and it's just really, really nice. And most of all, it wicks moisture away from the body. Details of it, I just really love this. It's like my new favorite. It makes me want to go back and get the other colors. It also comes in a gray with like a dark yellow piping, and it comes in white with a red piping. So I just really love the look of this, and the price you cannot beat. So I highly recommend